Hey y'all, it is Damon here from DecoExchange. And I've got a couple of projects to work on tonight. So y'all, one thing that I see a lot that I think is a mistake is that when people try to do these projects, they make their addition so large that you can't tell what they've been working on. So we want to just add enough right here so that it accents the B, but it doesn't hide our B. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna get these trimmed. All right, so right here, we're just gonna add ourselves a pipe cleaner, not a pipe cleaner, a zip tie. All right, let's see how we like that. I like it. All right, so you see how I'm just following his wing pattern right here? Now let's make him a little bow. Y'all, this bee is a kit. He's in our Etsy store. So you can snatch him up. Or you can buy the completed one, whichever one you want. All right, let's get us a tail going. The bee is from DecoExchange. Yeah, this is one of the kits. All right, we're gonna start with 6-inch loops. Next bow. The kit is cheaper than buying the individual pieces, yes. And it doesn't qualify for free shipping. And we're giving you free shipping, so. All right. Y'all, I'm going to come back in with this ribbon and add one more strip as just a tail. And then one little center loop. This is the only bow maker that we've been using. Yeah, you get to choose if you want an easy bow maker with the kit or not. All right, let's get our little bow tied off. All right, so here's our bee. And we're gonna have this stationed like this. So y'all, I wanted that extra tail in here because I didn't have anything going out this way. So I'm gonna just run this right through. Get it nice and tight so it holds everything in place. All right. So I'll just trim that down. All right. Now let's just pull these tails up like this. Now look how cute that is. This is actually 3D, the butt of the bee. It has a wire frame in it that is holding the bee like in a contoured shape, which is awesome. All right, and you see how the bow doesn't hide the whole bee? You can still clearly tell that we have a bee going on right here. Y'all, to me, that is super important in your design. That is a quick project done and in a hurry.